Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hi, welcome to English Pronunciation Practice. I am Emma, and today we will practice the sound Z.
Hi, Emma. I am Nexo. I am ready to listen and repeat.
Great, Nexo. This sound is in many useful English words, so let us practice slowly and clearly.
Yes, I want my Z sound to be strong and clear.
Before we begin, I will show you the structure of this pronunciation lesson. First, we have words. You will hear and repeat clear words with the Z sound. Second, we have phrases. You will listen to short phrases and notice the sound in real context. Remember, listen first, then repeat. Small sounds make a big difference.
I like that. Listen first, repeat second. I can do it.
Excellent. Let us start with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud. Zebra. Zebra. Zoo. Zoo. Zipper. Zipper. Zero. Zero. Puzzle. Puzzle. Lizard. Lizard. Scissors. Scissors. Nose. Nose. Rose. Rose. Cheese. Cheese. Keys. Keys. Bees. Bees. Shoes. Shoes. Glasses. Glasses. Roses. Roses. Raisins. Raisins. Freezer. Freezer. Magazine. Magazine. Phrases.
Good job completing the words. It is very important to listen to as much English as possible.
I finished the words. Now I want to hear the sound inside phrases.
Perfect. The goal of phrases is to listen carefully to short sentences and get used to the sounds of English.
Zebra. Zebra. A zebra runs. A zebra runs. Zoo. Zoo. The zoo is big. The zoo is big. Zipper. Zipper. The zipper is blue. The zipper is blue. Zero. Zero. Zero is on the sign. 0 is on the sign. Puzzle. Puzzle. The puzzle is easy. The puzzle is easy. Lizard. Lizard. A lizard is on the rock. A lizard is on the rock. Scissors. Scissors. The scissors are sharp. The scissors are sharp. Nose. Nose. My nose is cold. My nose is cold. Rose. Rose. A rose is red. A rose is red. Cheese. Cheese. The cheese is yellow. The cheese is yellow. Keys. Keys. The keys are here. The keys are here. Bees. Bees. The bees are busy. The bees are busy. Shoes. Shoes. My shoes are clean. My shoes are clean. Glasses. Glasses. Her glasses are new. Her glasses are new. Roses. Roses. The roses are pink. The roses are pink. Raisins. Raisins. The raisins are sweet. The raisins are sweet. Freezer. Freezer. The freezer is white. The freezer is white. Magazine. Magazine. The magazine is open. The magazine is open.
Good job. You and Nexo finished the pronunciation lesson.
Yes, I practiced the Z sound, and I feel more confident now.
Wonderful work. Keep listening, keep repeating, and see you in the next lesson.